Alright, so basically what we're going to be making is this right here. It's a little wheel made out of sandpaper. This is 320 grit aluminum oxide, wet and dry. And we put it on a Dremel. This is your cutoff wheel arbor. That's what I use for it. So how to make this. Now you can make these either in this form or a triangle shape. The triangle shape doesn't last as long. So here's what we do. For doing work on the Ruckus 50cc, I found that 3/16 width works better. This is 3/8 for demonstration purposes. So what we do is we take the end of it and fold it over. Take your corner and fold it over. And you'll notice you've got this right here, so we want to take this corner over to the edge, like so. Okay, and we want to take this corner here over to the edge, like so. And then we want to take this corner over to the edge, and you'll notice how the wheel's starting to develop. And just continue like that. You can make them as thick as you want, big or little as you want. What's really neat is the more you use it, the softer it gets. So it basically turns into a dadgum polishing wheel by the time it wears out. Oh, this one's going to turn out perfect. Usually, what I'll do is have to trim this, but this one turned out just perfect. So what I want to do is squeeze these two corners together, and I create a little pocket there. And I tuck this little tag in like that. Oh man, that wheel is just freaking perfect. Alright. Now I took me an old block I had laying around, got me an old nail, get as center as possible with it. Get it started and then put it over my hull. See there? I learned to do this doing tool and die work for Danaher Tool Group, Craftsman and Matco tools. Didn't know the same people made Matco and Craftsman, did you? Anyways, I take a Matco wrench any day. Take your screw to your cutoff wheel arbor. Get started. I usually sit down and make a good batch of these before I go started grinding and polishing. Then I take my Dremel tool. Put this puppy on there. Every now and then you want to blow out your threads on the inside of your arbor, because they'll start getting stuff in it. If you don't get that tight enough, that wheel will spin on that shaft. But you don't want to go so tight that you strip it out. Alright, here's the head I've been working on. If you notice, it's pretty nice up here. And that's using 320 grit. I didn't go up any. So that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed it.